Hello everyone, this is Hardik from Team Mastering Up, and today we're going to take a look at product launch strategy. Let's get started. Launching a new product or service is a thrilling endeavor, brimming with the potential for growth and innovation. However, it also presents a unique set of challenges that demand careful planning and execution, from understanding your target audience and their needs to effectively communicating your value proposition and navigating a competitive market. Successful product launch requires a multifaceted approach. Here are all the modules which will be covered. By the end of the course, you will be able to develop a comprehensive product launch strategy, master key launch phases, build effective marketing and communication plans, identify and mitigate potential risks, leverage data and analytics for informed decision making, enhance project management skills, cross-functional collaboration skills, gain confidence and compete in launching new products. Let's start with foundation of successful product launch. A successful product launch hinges on a strong foundation. This section underscores critical importance of stabilizing a clear vision, conducting meticulous preparation, and formulating a well-defined strategy. It delves into the essential elements that contribute to a robust launch foundation, including thorough market research, competitive analysis, target audience identification, and value proposition development. Let's start with defining product launch success. KPIs. Revenue targets. Setting realistic and ambitious revenue goals, considering factors like pricing, sales volume, and market size, customer acquisition cost or CAC, understanding how much it costs to acquire a new customer and optimizing for efficiency, customer lifetime value or CLTV, predicting the long-term value of each customer to your business, market share, analyzing your target market and setting goals for capturing a specific portion of it, brand awareness, measuring how well your brand is recognized and perceived in the market. Qualitative matrices, customer satisfaction, gathering feedback through surveys, reviews, and social media monitoring to understand customer sentiment, brand perception, analyzing how customers perceive your brand in terms of quality, innovation, trust, and customer service, competitive differentiation, identifying what makes your product unique and how it stands out from the competition, setting SMART goals, learning to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals to ensure clear direction and effective tracking. The pre-launch checklist includes market research and validation, market segmentation, dividing your target market into smaller, more manageable segments based on demographics, psychographics, behavior, and needs, competitive analysis, conducting in-depth research on competitors, including their strengths, weaknesses, pricing, marketing strategies, and customer reviews, marketing trends, identifying emerging trends, technologies, and customer behaviors that may impact your product success, product development and refinement, minimum viable product, or MVP for short. Developing a basic functional version of your product with core features to test assumptions and gather early user feedback. Interactive development. Continuously refining your product based on user feedback and market insights to ensure it meets customer needs and expectations. Beta testing. Conducting controlled tests with a select group of users to identify and address potential issues before the official launch. Go to market strategy. Sales channels. Exploring various distribution channels such as direct sales, e-commerce, retail partners, and wholesale. Pricing strategy. Developing a pricing strategy that aligns with your value proposition, target market, and competitive landscape. Marketing and communication plans. Creating a comprehensive plan that outlines your marketing messages, channels, and tactics to reach your target audience effectively. Next is building a launch team. Roles and responsibilities. Product manager. Defining the product vision, roadmap, and strategy. Managing the product development process. Marketing manager. Developing and executing marketing campaigns, managing social media tools, and building brand awareness. Sales team. Driving sales efforts, building customer relationships, and closing deals. Customer support. Providing timely and effective support to customers before, during, and after the launch. Cross-functional collaboration. Fostering communication and collaboration between different teams to ensure a smooth, successful launch. Communication and coordination. Project management tools. Utilizing tools like Trello, Asana, and Jira to track progress, assign tasks, and manage deadlines. Regular team meetings. Conducting regular team meetings to discuss progress, address challenges, and ensure everyone is aligned on the launch plan. Clear communication channels. Establishing clear and consistent communication channels such as email, instant messaging, and shared documentations. From defining success and conducting thorough market research to building a high-performing launch team, you now possess a strong understanding of the essential building blocks. This knowledge will serve as your compass as you navigate the exciting yet challenging journey of bringing your product to market. Remember to stay focused on your goals, adapt to changing market conditions, and continuously gather and analyze data to refine your approach. Let's take a look at pre-launch marketing and PR. Pre-launch marketing and PR dives into crucial strategies for generating excitement and building anticipation around your product launch. This module focuses on effectively communicating your value proposition to the target audience and positioning your product for success. Building anticipation and hype. Teaser campaigns. Utilizing social media teasers, email drip campaigns, exclusive previews for influencers to generate buzz and intrigue, creating a sense of exclusivity and urgency to encourage early engagement. Content marketing. Developing high quality content like blog posts, articles, videos, and infographics that showcase the product's unique value proposition and address key customer concerns. Leveraging content to establish thought leadership and build trust within the target audience. Public relations. Issuing press releases to media outlets, conducting media outreach to secure press coverage and build media relationships, collaborating with influencers to promote the product to their audience, participating in industry events and conferences to raise brand visibility. Leveraging social media. Social media optimization. Developing targeted social media advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to reach the desired audience. Engage with potential customers through interactive content, contests, giveaways, and Q&A sessions. Collaborating with social media influencers to reach a wider audience and build credibility. Remember, effective communication is key to a successful product launch. By crafting compelling narratives, building strong relationships with influencers, and engaging with your audience on a deeper level, you can position yourself for success and drive significant interest among potential customers. By effectively leveraging teaser campaigns, content marketing, public relationship efforts, and strategic social media interactives, you can create a buzz around your product and capture the attention of your target audience. Let's now see what to do on a launch day. Launch day execution focuses on the critical steps involving in successfully executing your product launch. This module emphasizes meticulous planning, seamless execution, and the importance of adaptability to ensure a smooth and successful market entry. Let's start with launch day checklist, website and platform readiness. Optimizing website performance and ensuring it can handle increased traffic, implementing robust security measures to protect customer data, ensuring seamless integration with payment gateways and other necessary platforms. Inventory and logistics. Ensuring sufficient inventory to meet anticipated demand, establishing efficient order fulfillment process for timely and accurate delivery, partnering with reliable logistic providers to ensure smooth and timely deliveries. Customer support readiness. Providing adequate customer support resources to address inquiries and resolve issues promptly, training customer support teams on product features and troubleshooting procedures, managing launch day traffic and demand, scalable infrastructure, implementing scalable infrastructure to handle potential surge in website traffic and customer inquiries, utilizing cloud computing service to ensure system stability and performance, monitoring key matrices, continuously monitoring key matrices such as website traffic, sales volume, conversion rates, and customer support tickets, real-time adjustments, adapting to unforeseen challenges and making real-time adjustments to pricing, marketing campaigns, and customer support strategies. Launch day is a critical juncture in your product journey. The key elements for ensuring a smooth and successful execution, from preparing your website and inventory to managing potential traffic surge and adapting to real-time challenges. You now have the tools to navigate this crucial phase effectively. Remember, meticulous planning and proactive execution are essential for a successful launch. By anticipating potential challenges, monitoring key matrices, and making timely adjustments, you can maximize your chances of success and capitalize on initial momentum. Finally, let's do a post-launch analysis and optimization. Post-launch analysis and optimization delves into the critical phase of evaluating a product launch performance and identifying areas for improvement. This module emphasizes the importance of data-driven decision-making and continuous refinement to ensure long-term success. Analyzing launch performance. Review and identify. Reviewing key matrices, analyzing sales data, customer feedback, website traffic, and marketing campaign performance to understand what worked well and what needs improvement. Identifying areas for improvement. Identifying areas such as website usability, customer experience, product features, and marketing channels that require optimization. Conducting post-launch surveys and interviews. Gathering direct feedback from customers to understand their perceptions, preferences, and pain points. Customer onboarding and retention. Onboarding and retaining. Implementing effective onboarding strategies to guide new customers and ensure they successfully adopt the product. Developing loyalty programs and incentives to ensure repeat purchase and long-term customer relationships. Building a strong community around your product to foster engagement and loyalty. Continuous improvement. Analyze and improve. Integrating on the product roadmap. Incorporating customer feedback, addressing bugs and issues, and introducing new features based on market demand. Optimizing market and sales channels. Refining marketing campaigns, adjusting pricing strategies, and exploring new sales channels to reach a wider audience. Adapting to market changes. Continuously monitoring the market landscape, identifying emerging trends, and adapting your product and marketing strategies accordingly. By carefully analyzing your launch performance, gathering valuable customer feedback, and iterating on your product and marketing strategies, you can ensure continuous success and long-term growth. Remember, the market is constantly evolving. By continuously monitoring your performance, adapting to market changes, and prioritizing customer satisfaction, you can ensure your product remains competitive and relevant. Finally, let's take a look at few advanced product launch strategies. Advanced product launch strategies delves into more sophisticated approaches for bringing your product to market. This module explores cutting-edge technologies that can help you gain a competitive edge and achieve exceptional results. Agile product launches. Interactive development. Embracing an agile approach with continuous development and rapid integrations based on user feedback. Minimum viable product or MVP. Launching with a basic functional version of your product to gather early user feedback and iterate quickly. Continuous releases. Regular releasing updates and new features to keep the product fresh and engaging. Global product launches. Localization and cultural adaptation. Tailoring your product and marketing messages to specific regional markets and cultural nuances. International marketing and distribution strategies. Developing effective strategies for reaching and engaging customers in different countries. Legal and regular considerations. Navigating the legal and regulatory requirements of different markets. Data-driven product launches. Predictive analysis. Utilizing data and analytics to predict customer behavior, identifying potential challenges, and optimizing marketing campaigns. A/B testing and experimentation. Conducting A/B testings to compare different versions of a product, marketing messages, and landing pages to identify the most effective approach. Personalization and targeted marketing. Leveraging data to personalize the customer experience and deliver targeted marketing messages. From embracing agile development methodologies and navigating the complexities of global launches to leveraging data-driven insights for personalized experience, you now possess a deeper understanding of cutting-edge approaches that can propel your product to new heights. The product launch landscape is constantly evolving. By staying informed about the latest trends, embracing innovation, and adapting to changes marketing dynamics, you can maintain a competitive edge and achieve exceptional results. Launching a new product or service is an exciting yet challenging endeavor. It requires careful planning, strategic execution, and a deep understanding of your target audience and the competitive landscape. By thoroughly researching your market, Developing a compelling value proposition and building a strong launch team, you can increase your chances of success. Remember to adapt to market changes, gather customer feedback, and continuously refine your strategies to ensure long-term growth and achieve your desired business outcomes. With this, we have now come to an end. I hope you understand product launch and its strategies in a better way. This is Hardik from Team Mastering Up, and thank you for watching.